Khulumka. I'm very grateful this evening. We together here from Hyderabad, the Tripura People Foundation are very excited to come to Bangalore for the program tomorrow, and we are very happy for this event to take place. And we are also very grateful to our director, sir, brother Dinesh, and that's brother Shekhar. Also, all the Bangalore member team, all those who have helped us in many ways for this arrangement of the program. And we also thank our dear Bubagra too for his helping hand and for his guidance in all ways for our people, the Prasa here, all over the states. And we are also happy and excited to meet our dear Bubagra, and we are very grateful to him. And we say a very heartful and with a thankful heart, we thank our dear Bubagra on this day. As we begin our journey from here, from Hyderabad to Bangalore, we say a very big thank you to our dear Bubagra too. So we together say, Bubagra ki jai!
Khulumka, jotono chini tirbasa jotto Hyderabad tongnai rogno. Prothomo hambai majanogo chini Tripura People Foundation Director Mr. Dinesh sir. Bono tuidulung bai chini bus arrange khaibu from Hyderabad to Bangalore thangani bangai chuma jottono paisa nahawi tongo. Gangke chini program hangnai 13 tarik dinin 13 tarik chini program tongmani. Unfortunately oro jagao kise controversy mani bagai o program cancel paikha. Haini bagai hainai tiring khnani tiringo advance tiringo Bubagra Himalaya roni bangai chino jottono no bus arrange khaibu chino nahawi tongo. Hani bagai jottono excited jottono hambai majano chini hambai dalia